How to create Gmail account in mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can create a Gmail account in your mobile. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Now let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser. So after you're on any web browser, all you have to do is simply type in Google sign up, and it will take you to these pages where you can sign in. You can first head over to the sign in option as well. So after you're on this page, tap on create an account. So select for my personal use. Then simply start filling out the prompts. So type in your name, tap on next, give it your date of birth, then your year, your gender, and every other information that they ask. Tap on next and create username as well. So type in your name, tap on next. You can choose from the recommended as well. Then tap on next after you're satisfied, and then finally create a password. So make sure that you create a password that is strong but you can still remember. Confirm the password, then tap on next. After you do that, add a recovery email if you want. I'll just skip this step and review the account and then tap on next. So this is basically the terms and conditions and what they will do with your data. You can read that if you want. I'll just tap on I agree. And finally, after some time, you'll have automatically logged in. And there you go. That's how you create a Gmail account in your mobile. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.